Sometimes you have sensitive information and it's necessary to protect your files using password encryption. But you don't have expensive third-party programs and need an easy solution. DeftPDF developed a web-based platform that makes doing tasks such as this simple. From the DeftPDF.com homepage, let's click All Tools to bring up the drop-down menu where we can select Protect. Upload the PDF file that contains your sensitive information. Now, just type the password you want to use. Click More Options to change the parameters, such as permissions. When you're finished, just click Encrypt and save to your hard drive, Dropbox, or share via email. Visit DeftPDF.com to see what else you can do through our easy-to-use platform.